Hey there. Are you what I call the advice overloaded seller? So listen and see what you think. You want to improve your Etsy shop, so you start searching for answers. One person tells you to change your tags. Another one says, you're going to have to improve those photos. And then you hear that you need to do more listings or daily social media posts, or maybe Etsy ads or Pinterest. Maybe get your videos up. And another good one I hear is you need stronger branding. Now, now you have a huge list of things that you should be doing, but you still don't know what matters most, where to start first. So you probably don't need more advice, right? What you really need is a way to filter through the advice and then kind of figure out how it fits in with your current needs for your shop, for your Etsy business. My Etsy expansion course can help you do that. It can help you understand the bigger picture in a more simple and organized way. Or if you want, I can give you some personalized help in deciding what to focus on with my Etsy reset session. It's a 30-minute session and it gives you some experienced eyes, mine, on what your next clear priority needs to be. So if you're ready to get started, then type in too much because there's too much going on and you want to stop feeling confused and get started on your Etsy shop.